Today we're going to be reviewing a 134 piece polishing kit. This is what comes in the bag. Has two soft foam discs. It has Velcro pad with a soft piece. Got these sponges. Another disc for your tool. Two of these for your power tool. Connect them. Size 6 millimeters and 2.92, I think is the size. There you go. And then you have your sand discs from 50 to 10,000 grit. 3,000. You got the 10 of each. 150, 60, 240, 5,000, 400, 3,000, 10,000, 80, 600, 250, or 2,500, sorry, 2,500, 1,500. So you got 10 of each. Different type of grid. You can do all kinds of job, wet, dry. You can polish your headlights, small spaces. You got the sponges to do the curved ones, the curved places in your car that this doesn't reach. You can do that with these. They're well made sponges. You can see them. Very well made. So yeah, if you're looking for a kit that is affordable, bring you two adapters for your power tool. Oh, here it is. Hex, the regular one. This is the disc. Has Velcro. The other one too. There you go. Adapter. Another adapter. So all these for the great price. So it's priced very affordable, and for all the pieces that you get, you can't beat it. So if you're looking for a kit, here's your kit. Go get it. Thank you.